What is it?
Oh, cool.
Sky gadgets?
Wow.
Sky gadgets.
Sweet.
Why don't you put them all back in your bucket?
Wonderful booty.
Hey, where's your mustache?
Another iPad.
I never bought one.
Oh. Huh.
Let's do this. Do on.
Try not. Let's try to save my mustache.
Okay.
Stashes for
I don't know
Sundays.
next. When I open this, what scissors? Here, let me see.
Art, well, that
I
was
just did
nice.
it.
Arr.
Just rip it. There, broke it.
Nice work, Bella.
Who's this from?
That's from Grandma Joy and Grandpa Rob.
Thank you, Grandma John, Grandma Rob.
That's not Grandma Joy.
Yes, it is.
Although I am joyful.
That's Mimi.
New Lego set.
Here, you guys
Hey.
pass the paper back.
Hey, Sammy, say
Show us,
thank
what
you.
is it?
Samuel,
What?
hold that up and say thank you to Grandma Joy and Grandpa Rob.
Thank you, Grandma John, Grandpa Rob.
Lego!